No, sure.
So they have changed. So here we have the instruction. So kubeadm method. Okay, so set up Cobas cluster using kubeadm. So let's go to the official site, creating cluster with kubeadm. So here we can check the requirement. Before requirement is 1 hour more machine running in depth RPN compatible. For example, Ubuntu or CentOS, 2 GB or more of RAM per machine. Let's leave little room for your apps. At least 2 CPU on the machine that you as a control plane node. Full network connectivity among all machines in the cluster. You can use either public or private network. So you also need a kubeadm version. Then let's see. Okay, this is a requirement. So let's start creating. So here we have the instruction. So we need at least 2 node with minimum 2 CPU, 2 GB RAM. Okay. So here we have to select T3 medium. So we'll select the create basic cluster.
Here we need to create one manage and one master.
No, here is no need of management node.
Okay.
It is completely managed by you, entire process. There is no automation at all, right, Shivdas?
Yeah. No. Everything is manual.
Yes.
No, that means this is not preferred, Chivdas. I will not install this.
This is one, but if you join cloud environment, okay. So one of my friend, he switched from one cloud to non-cloud environment. Okay. Then now he's working on kubeadm.
Okay.
So if you are work with on premises, you have to install like this.
Yes.
Mm.
So let's select the Ubuntu. You have to try, no problem. So spend only 1 hour, na. So you can try this one. So let's select this one, first one. Here we need 2 CPU. Let's select P2 medium 2 CPU.
At least we need 2 CPUs. Okay.
Yes. Let's add the 20 GB storage. Then click on configure security group. Next, let's select the existing security group. And define launch, then launch. Prepare is launch instances. And then a few instances. Let's select it, give the name master. So let's create one more. Same.
Here we need one worker node and one master node, right?
Yes. Same specification, right there, configure security group, existing one. Arriva and launch, welcome and launch.
Ports are opening before the ports.
But yeah, I open the already open already. One security group configuration is once, then if you select one existing one, so all rule apply it automatically. So master and worker. So here we have the commands. So these are some extra commands here. So commands run in both master and worker node. Okay. So all 14 commands we have to run in the both master and worker node. Okay. Commands to run only in master. Okay.
Okay.
So let's connect both instances using putting. So open this, then auth,
And change also color, bro.
white and this miss not miss. This one is good, bro. Miss, I clearly understand black and white.
Okay, you put orange, bro. Next one, it will also visible.
Orange one.
We'll try. Yeah. Next
Orange
one.
for worker to identify easily, I think.
Appearance. So see, let here to change
That should ask color.
color font
No, click on change. Click on change.
Change.
No, that is font.
Yes.
No,
That is font size.
No,
only.
not actually. It should be here, Shivas.
Terminal,
In,
terminal, go terminal,
Terminal.
features.
click on behavior or something. Select colors there, Shivas. So below selection.
Below selection.
Color.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Below
Yeah.
selection, there is color.
Below
Not in
selection.
Colors, correct. Yes, see. So which one select?
Select foreground.
Default foreground, na?
Yes, foreground. Modify. Here, select orange. Orange? No yellow, bro. No yellow, orange.
So
that one. Yeah, that one. Right.
this one.
Apply.
Actually, I am connected with Visual Studio, so I forgot about putting.
Let's connect.
You forgot with Visual Studio.
I working in Visual Studio, connecting all the terminals in Visual.
In Linux also, will connect in Visual Studio.
Yeah,
Yes.
Bro, Visual Studio, teach me, bro.
yeah, I will teach.
I said na last time also. So he was someone was asking, so I said him, you can on Visual Studio, Git Bash. You can
Everything shows us. I was shocked. It is all even push and commit you can do in Visual Studio. That is amazing.
That's
Yes.
I know that one. Complete entire GitHub we can do, but Linux Mission Connect, I don't know that.
Yeah,
one.
I will tell you. I will tell you. Explain.
Was actually expert in that.
a lot of features there.
Yes.
Yeah. Sai also no.
No, I don't know. Linux I'm not using.
No, I shared a document to Sai regarding.
That was not correct.
So here we have the commands. So let's apply first command, update on both instance.
Oh, you applied
It is
color
on-
both orange color both instances.
Yes. Let's change for another one for different one. Okay. So for worker IP is 012. Worker is 012. Colors.
So when you are doing
Master always should be in white, Shivas.
Master. Okay. Worker is let's change worker.
black.
Black.
Yes, okay.
Black.
Sorry, bro.
White. So
White.
let's put this one.
Okay.
Sai.
This is a worker. Okay. This is a master.
Green is worker, na?
No.
Green is worker. Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
Orange is master. So we have done this command here also. Okay, so next command is we have to install.
So basically this command what, bro?
Docker.
Explain each command, bro. I
Yes,
mean,
this is the first is updating package.
second command.
Let's say adding the Docker GPG key. Okay.
And that -fsSL, what is that?
That I think expert.
SSL, no, false. Okay. That we have copied from official site.
Mm.
I mean, meaning just to understand.
Meaning means false. SSL is false.
Shivdas, as per the DevOps engineer, we should not know exact meaning of commands, right? For installation
Yes.
packages, that is not enough, right?
Means
That is
we
not
should know,
required.
but all
If you understood, na, it will good for us. For understanding. at
Second
least.
is the adding the Docker apt repository.
Mhm.
Bro, I mean, what I feel that I don't want to, which interviewer will ask the questions I have to able to answer. No, not like that. I have to learn for myself. That's it.
Yes.
That's very good.
If every
Let's-
interview will be, we cannot satisfy, right?
Yes.
Uh,
So here we have updated package. Next we have to install Docker edition,
Okay.
CLI, then container.io package.
Okay.
Let's try this.
Bro, in COPS and EKS, we have installed Docker.
In COPS,
No, in
We
Minikube.
have not
we
installed, right?
in Minikube
Yes,
we
yes,
have
yes.
installed.
Minikube we have installed, but in COPS
COPS,
and
no,
EKS.
no need. But here we have to install.
Okay. But there also we have to install, right? We need to run the container.
Container COPS. So here now it is no.
I think in automatically, I think it will be installing. I think sure. Maybe
I'm confused, bro. The Docker we need or not. On top of it, how it will run.
okay. Let me find.
Actually, this one isn't okay. So Minikube we need, but in COPS and EKS there is an inbuilt. I think so. So by from one of the package it will install. Okay.
Okay.
So we have to find out that.
You copied that fourth one. What is that? Diamond
We have to
process.
add the CG group driver. Okay. Okay, that is latest one in COPS method now. So
Diamond.json. I mean, it will run always.
yes.
Okay.
Container.
In official website, is there that one?
Yes, official, but not here mentioned. Not much mentioned here. In video. So here, see this. No, this is IP tables. Just traffic. There are various commands, bro, for this Kubernetes configure CG group driver. See this. Then containerized.io. This is. They are given different content.
So here we need to read all the document clearly and understand.
This.
When we understand, we can get the commands.
Yes. So whatever the basic now we have copied from here. Then let's found both instance. So we have to go in details. You can go to the official site and we have to read.
Okay.
So next command is 16th, enable the Docker. Okay. At system startup. Then we have to reload the daemon service. Okay. Means not daemon, all domain daemon. Okay. The next command is restart the Docker service. To check the Docker service is running or not, systemctl status Docker.
Yes, it is running.
Okay.
Active running.
Here. Status. Orange is best, bro. It's showing much clear. You're running. Then let's update system package to take effect. Then we have to install the curl HTTPS package and CS certificates and curl. Okay, these three packages.
This is CA certificate. Sai, you said in Jenkins?
That is different one. This is
That is
different one.
different.
But
Okay.
CA common.
The Jenkins document you have updated in your website, Shivdas bro?
Yes. So here we have to add the Kubernetes official GPG key. Okay. This is back cloud GPG key in both node
And master.
Yes, master and worker. Then next command is, let me clear the screen.
I think it will take half an hour to install Shiraz for both or 20 minutes.
Let's try. It was giving error, but we are trying.
Okay.
So we have to add the Kubernetes official GPG key, both master and worker.
First install the key, then add that key.
And to take effect, we have to update again packages. Okay. Then we have to install the kubelet, kubeadm, kubestep. Every packages in this machine manual step only. We have to install this.
Yeah.
Most this one. What we can say. Let's clear the screen. Now we have to hold this package being upgraded to being upgraded. Okay, we don't want to upgrade this package in future, so that's why you can hold this package. It will be in current packages, current version.
Sure. If it is version 1.1, if version 1.2 comes, then it will not allow if we install this, right?
Actually, we install from the website, right? Curl command. So apt mark hold. It will hold the
Current version.
yes, it will hold.
Yes.
Okay.
So prerequisite is done, both master and worker. So this command we have to run only in master node. Means we have to select one of the node as a master node here. Okay.
Okay.
Manually. So let's select this orange one is a master. Okay. So let's check IP. Master, what we have given IP?
Yes, correct.
1.3. Yes.
Orange.
Yes. Let's this package.
What is that? It will
What is the
initiate.
sudo? Initialize the master node manually.
And that CAD or classless domain.
Class means this is a IP address range. You can give any range. Okay.
Okay.
So this is default AWS VPC range. Okay. Let's copy this. Let's run on master.
You know VPC, huh?
This might take a minute or two, depending on the speed of your internet connection. Pulling the images required for setting on the Kubernetes cluster. Let's wait. What happens? Okay, it's generating out the components. Kubelet.
It's generating control
Scheduler.
step control plane.
Yes,
So
got this message. To start using your cluster, you need to run the following as a regular. We are using regular user. And here we have to .kube is a configuration, stored all the cluster configuration. CPI, it is saying that copy by default Kubernetes configuration in etc Kubernetes admin.conf.
Why -i, bro?
CPI -i means this parameter iterative, something like this. Means let's check. Okay. Then we have to give this current user and group permission. Okay. This current user and group to own this configuration file. Alternatively, if you are the root user, you can run. We are not a root user.
Bro, this should change owner, change admin, something, na? So these permissions will take care by the Linux administrators, or we have to check that.
Now we have to run this.
I mean, basic. We need to understand that change owner, change
CH1 change owner ID -u current user ID -g current group. Apply this ownership current user and group ownership to home.cube and config file. Apply. So only the current user can modify or can view this configuration. That is the meaning of this command.
Okay.
So here we have copied this one. So in the real-time scenario, you have to put this key. Okay. Whenever you want to join multiple master node, so this then you can join any number of worker node by running the following on each as a root. Okay. So this we have to copy. Always keep in safe place.
Like SSH key, private and public key.
No, this is a token. It will generate token. Okay.
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 Token. Every time it will change, right?
No, this is one time only. If you lost, na.
I mean, no. I mean, whenever install, uninstall.
Yes. So here it is saying using root user. We have to do sudo. Then I have copied this command sudo cpim mkdir of this one. So then clear the screen. We have copied here. Let's copy this command to create p. Then run this command to copy configuration file into .kubelet. Then give the permission, ownership permission. Then next one we have to apply the in COPS any method we have installed network plugin. Here also we have to install plugin. So here we will try. Here we can select anyone. In last one we have installed in COPS we have selected Calico. Now we will select the Fanel network. Okay. Fanel also one of the network plugin for Kubernetes.
Yeah. There are lots of you shown in the website.
Yes.
Bro, show me, bro. I didn't get that.
Web.
Okay, no problem. So now I will tell you. Okay, I will show you.
Okay.
So now this command, run commands only in marker to join master. So we have copied this command. We have to run this command to the worker node, the master node. To join
Master
worker
node.
is worker.
Confusing.
Huh?
You are confusing. That key is generated, the token is generated from the master node.
Yes.
So you copied that master token. That token you have to join
Run.
where?
If you have
We
to
need-
run this token in on worker.
Worker node. So
Okay.
it will intercommunicate between master and worker node.
Yes. So let's select here kubectl get nodes. Here it is saying master node is ready. Status is ready.
Yes.
So we have to join one more worker node. So we have to copy this master node's token number, token ID. And we have to run in the worker node. Okay.
Okay.
So let's copy this one only, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Or this one.
That
That
one
one.
only, bro. That one only.
You mentioned sudo in front of it.
Okay. This node has joined the cluster. And a request was sent to the API server. Run kubectl get nodes on the control plane to see this node join to the cluster.
Control plane means master node.
Master node. We have to run this command on the master node. See this one node is the role is not assigned. We have the different command.
Okay, it is.
We have to run this command. I will show you. Let's go on. We have to label this node. I have this command.
Here, Shivdas, right below. Let's create a deployment on master name. Oh, it's a deployment. It's
Now
not.
this is YML. We can rename this node label node, kubectl label node. We can give the label to this node as a worker.
Worker, green,
You
green,
mentioned
green.
Here we have to mention this one node label node IP.
Shivdas, here you mentioned worker is equal to worker. If I want to change it any worker to worker 3, I can change it, right?
Let's see what happens.
Yeah, I got assigned worker role.
Okay.
Hmm.
Both node
Bro,
are
bro, what is this command, bro? I didn't get.
kubectl label node name node hyphen role dot kubernetes dot io worker equal to worker. This name by default it will not assign any roles. Okay, here none. So we assign this is a worker node. But in the case it will assign automatically.
Yeah.
So here is a manual step. So we can identify one master, one worker. So this is the kubeadm. So let's create one deployments. So our cluster configuration present in ls-a in dot kubectl dot kube chart. So here we can see the cluster class certificate authority data, then server 6443 API server port number cubes name Kubernetes user Kubernetes admin, then class certificate data. So this is a cluster configuration. So
it's a little bit similar to Ansible, right?
Master, yes, little bit means joining master.
Yes. Yeah, little bit similar to Ansible.
Yes.
Joining the master.
Exchange the key pair, all this one.
Key pair, yes.
Yes. So let's create one deployments, engineering deployment using YML. Then let's copy this. API version, kind deployment, engineering deployment app, latest on this one. Let's save this to apply this YML.
Replica one node.
Yes, yeah, here we can
one
get pods. To check pod command is kubectl get pods. Getting ready.
Running status.
To check deployment, we have create deployment. To check deployment command is kubectl deploy. Okay, now only one replica is there. To edit deployment command is kubectl edit deploy deployment name. So let's change the replica to
2.
Yes. Let's see what.
Basically, these replicas mean
Pods.
Pod. So let's check how many pods. 2 pods.
Okay. Can you check that it is working in IP address 80 port?
No, this is deployment. We have not exposed this deployment. We have to expose this deployment
Internet
service.
Okay.
Then only we can access.
First, we need to create the deployment pod and second step.
Then we have to create service also.
Shivdas, here one doubt. You first deployed replica
So
as one.
let's replay. Yes.
Again, you changed it to 2, right? Then it should be 3, right?
No, 1 to 2, na?
Okay.
How many of there?
Here, apply -y means what, bro? kubectl applies.
Apply?
Basically, bro, 1 second. You created one YAML file which is deployment file, right?
Mhm, mhm.
Okay, then you give the after deployment
Your voice is breaking.
dot YAML file, it will do. It will create
Voice
or what? Hello.
నీ వాయిస్ బ్రేక్ అయింది, అది మళ్ళీ చెప్పు.
అవునా? ఇంటర్నెట్. ఓకే.
ఇప్పుడు చెప్పు, బాగానే వినిపిస్తుంది, చెప్పు.
Bro, that you have created a .yaml file, right? So once you create that YAML file, first we need to apply kubectl apply space -f.
Yes.
What it will do? That command.
This will apply the YAML into the cluster, onto the cluster.
Onto the cluster.
So YAML contains the candidate deployment name, labels, app, replicas, selectors, and this is format. Then specification, containers, image, Nginx latest, port 80, like this. So this deployment content create a replica of one, all the information, and pull the Nginx image from the Docker Hub and create a pod.
Where you mention pull the image.
So this is the image Nginx.
Yes. Okay. I got that. This is one part. In replicas, if you mention how many replicas, it will create more pods. That is called pods. Okay.
Yes.
So if we need to, okay, once go to the terminal, arrange terminal master node. Okay, you are applying the deployment. Get deploy. So it will deploy. Now we need to run that, right? Or what? I mean, if you deployed, it will not run in the browser now.
No.
We need to expose.
We have to expose
to the service.
Yes. So that is different object is there. That object we call it as service. That is service.
Okay.
So this. So
do that one, bro.
In the shopping cart, you added the pod. You added the pod. Means you added the, okay, in shopping cart. Okay. And directly you want to deliver. Not possible, because you have to make a payment. Then only you will get this will dispatch.
Yeah.
Same like here, you create a deploy your microservice, but to expose outside, you have to use the service.
Okay.
Shivdas, right now by using YAML, this is called declarative, right?
No, YAML is YAML. There is no difference in declarative or
imperative.
Yes.
Okay.
YAML.
Okay, got it.
Bro, give me 2 minutes, bro. I'm reading these 4 commands for my understanding.
Okay. Whenever we use YAML, we need to use that flag -f.
-f, create -f or apply -f. Anyone we can use.
Okay. So right now we covered 2 objects. One is deployment and one is pod object. And we have much more like services and
already last hour already we have covered deployment manages replicas manages pod.
Yeah,
that is the concept we have learned. We have gone through theory how it works.
Yeah.
So in the real-time scenario, we don't create directly pod.yml. Instead of that, we use deployment.
Exactly, yeah.
Yes, the replica, certificate, config map, secrets, any other sidecar containers, whatever you want to mention for that microservice. So all that properties will be in deployment.
Even though app got updated, that we will be doing it in deployment only, not individually.
Yes.
Everything.
Yes, everything.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes, bro. So now we
So
need to
now
export this
we will
service.
expose this deployment using service. Okay. Now we have the service, and this labels and selectors should match. Here we will add the selectors. Okay, what given we have now given the name here labels. Label we have given as a Nginx app.
Nginx app.
So this deployment name should match in service.
Hmm.
Labels and selectors. Then we are exposing using node port. Target port is 80, port is 80.
What is type node port means what? Type.
Node port type means these are the different types of services in Kubernetes. That is node port, load balancer, and ingress, cluster IP to expose the microservice over the internet. There are different methods. So like
Okay.
we've seen that we can set up the EKS cluster using either using EKS ETL, AWS Management Console, or AWS CLI. Okay. Like here, we can expose our microservice, Kubernetes microservice on the browser, either using node port, cluster IP, load balancer, or we can use ingress.
Okay.
Different topic. So let's get service. Okay. Let's run this. Service is created. To check services, command is kubectl get svc. Service is running node port Nginx app. Now we can export this, access this microservice over the internet on port. So no, there is a range of node port 32001. Only range we have to give. Because why we have to give this range?
Because it should be between that range.
Yes, what is the range?
65,535, right?
No,
In normal AWS.
It start from the 30,000.
Okay.
Kubernetes. I have shown already. Node port range
30,000. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
We have a different topic. Now we are doing only practical. Okay.
Okay.
32001. Now let's copy the master IP.
Thank you.
Public IP browser. And port is 32001. It will run master worker. So port is open. Let's check. Security. All port is open. Okay. We have, let's select the
worker node.
We have a label now, this one.
Yeah, we labeled. Sure.
No, this is not security group. These are the security groups.
Okay.
We have to get the issue to dashboard. Then
Default one. Master also default
let's
one.
select the copy. Let's copy this IP. It will run 11 more worker node, not on
worker master.
Okay. If you don't mind, can you change that port number 32002? It will expose or not?
No, it will give error.
I mean, not now. I mean, change the configurations, bro. Expose the port in service.
Yes, now to edit now. Okay, let's select.
We'll edit.
kubectl edit svc, then svc name. Let's change to 32002.
But bro, this port number default is 80.
No,
Node
internal,
port
it is
range-
internal port.
Okay.
Okay.
Node port is different.
Yes. So now it was giving error previously.
Yes.
Now let's check here. 32002. Now let's see. Right.
Yes. Check same in the browser, change the 2 number to 1. Yes. Okay.
It will give error, right, Shivdas, if we change it to 1?
Yes. Maybe browser cache.
But
Bro,
Shivdas,
still it is running.
Let's change private mode. Okay, still is running.
Yes, bro. Exactly this Nginx I have checked from my local machine and the AWS also. When I install, I have changed my different port numbers. It
Hmm.
is open different port number, but
No,
you
now
have-
now it is giving error. It's gone.
yeah, it was not loaded.
Yes.
But Shivdas, if we have two
it
worker
is
nodes,
taking some time.
Hmm.
Okay, I mean to say that when we change the port number, we need to restart that.
Yes, yes. Yes, we have to start also, but it will automatically it changes, but it takes some time.
Mm, Yes, yes, that was yes understood. Correct. So
So
this is the same scenario for deployment in COPS or EKS, bro.